Travel vlogging has surged in popularity as a captivating form of video content, with the potential to evolve into influential marketing, educational material, or engaging storytelling. While it might seem straightforward, it's anything but easy. Successful travel vlogging requires more than just recording a trip. It demands exciting experiences, compelling narratives, creative flair, and staying updated with current trends. Essential to the process is skillful editing with professional tools and incorporating interactive intros and outros. Let's delve into these techniques to understand the art of becoming a proficient travel vlogger. 1. Tell an authentic story and connect with the audience. To foster a strong connection with your audience, it's important to appear on camera in your videos. This personal touch evokes emotions, fosters trust, and cultivates a bond with your viewers. Your story is equally crucial. When people see you in your videos, they begin to relate to you as a person, which enhances their belief in your narrative. Whether you're a beauty guru or a travel enthusiast, authenticity and a compelling story are key to success. That's why many seasoned vloggers kick off their videos by introducing themselves and sharing personal anecdotes. 2. Use animations and interactive elements. Integrating animations into vlogs can greatly boost viewer engagement. Firstly, they elevate the video's creativity, adding an intriguing element. Secondly, animations highlight crucial aspects, guiding viewers' attention to specific points of interest. Thirdly, they're invaluable for simplifying complex data, making information easier to understand. What's more, thanks to modern tools, you can create an animation video easier. This versatility enhances the visual appeal of videos, making them more captivating and aligned with current trends. Educational travel videos particularly benefit from animations, as they clarify concepts effectively. Moreover, using animated intros and outros in travel vlogs can instantly captivate viewers. 3. Decide on the proper equipment. Equipment like cameras, microphones, and lighting are fundamental for producing top-notch vlogs. However, their necessity varies based on the type of videos and storyline you're creating. Sometimes, only basic tools suffice, while other times, more advanced gear is required. For instance, screen recording software and a microphone might be all you need for demonstrating video editing tricks. Conversely, if your content revolves around exploring various countries and showcasing local cuisine, impeccable editing and top-notch equipment are vital to immerse viewers in the travel experience alongside you. 4. Follow trends and innovations. To thrive as a modern travel vlogger, embracing experimentation is key. Don't shy away from trying new approaches, whether it's exploring a unique video blogging style or venturing onto a fresh platform. One of the latest movements gaining momentum is sustainable travel, emphasizing eco-friendliness and responsible tourism. An exemplary representation of this trend is showcased in a TEDx Talks video addressing the preservation of tourism. Additionally, solo travel has emerged as an authentic and compelling niche within travel vlogging. Through solo journeys, viewers witness firsthand the profound personal growth and transformative impact of travel experiences. 5. Add the final touch. Once you've completed all the necessary steps for a successful travel vlog, the final stage is editing your videos. Many vloggers handle this task themselves, while others opt to outsource video editing services. While the latter may be simpler, it does come with a cost. However, it's a worthwhile option to consider, as it frees up valuable time and allows you to focus on more creative aspects of your vlog. Conclusion. Becoming a true travel vlogger entails more than just mastering the 5 points mentioned above. It demands extensive experience, dedication, and time investment. To truly shine in the competitive landscape of travel vlogging, creativity, building trust, and honing storytelling skills are paramount. Over time, you'll grow more comfortable in front of the camera, discover your strengths, and confidently share your adventures with the world. Utilize these techniques diligently, and don't hesitate to explore new avenues and experiment. Your persistence will eventually yield rewards, allowing you to monetize your passion and derive fulfillment from your endeavors.